Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle this afternoon. But in the evening, I've four extra puzzles in the additional, and I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars. So one puzzle remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 11th, 2024. And the news of today, I've told you O.J. Simpson has died at age 76. Yeah. Alright, Tectonic. This will be number 8343. Yeah, 8343. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1 star, 2 stars, maybe a 0 stars. Wow, for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 2 stars. 15 to 20 minutes. But it's a 3 stars indication. Yeah, it has a 3 stars indication. So for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 1 star, 2 stars, or 3 stars? Jigsaw Sudoku. Well, that's the question. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. How about triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot see. Wow, no. We have another dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. So 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Okay, next question. The triple boxes. No triple boxes here. How about the quadro boxes? No quadro boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, okay? Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, we have only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? The L shape. Let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes surround the one can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so one box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1 is also connected with that box. So 3 and a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. And is also connected with that box, should be so 3. And is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. Okay, now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 1 then. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. The L-shaped area for number 2, okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this cross area should be here. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this cross area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. This box, wait. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Whoa. Oh, 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there now. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be here. Overlooked, overlooked. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Overlooked, overlooked. This 2. Alright, we go up. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay. And now, these two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Told you. Could be a 0 stars. It's a 0 stars puzzle. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So for 0 stars, I'm faster than 40, 30 minutes. So definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.